How to tip in Uber Drive. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from The Solution Guy. In today's video, I'll simply show you the process as to how you can add a tip in Uber on your phone. So make sure to watch the video till the end. The easiest way to tip an Uber drivers is with the mobile app. In-app tips are transferred to the Uber driver's account immediately. Now, every time you use Uber services, you'll be prompted to rate your driver. You can tip an Uber driver during and after each trip after you've rated them. Also keep in mind that tipping is entirely optional and that it isn't included in the fare. So first of all, what you have to do is launch the Uber Ride application. Once you launch the Uber app, you can use the white screen to view the trip details. Now you have to simply proceed to the rate or tip option. So just go to the option called rate or tip. Now you can simply rate your driver. You can give them between 1 and 5 stars. And if you give your Uber driver 5 stars, the app will directly take you to the tipping tab. If you rate your driver with less than 5 stars, the app will ask you if you want to tip the driver. The app will let you choose between $1, $3, and $5 for the tip, as you can see in this image. If you want to give a bigger tip, then tap on the enter custom amount option at the bottom of your screen. And if you've chosen a custom account, select the set tip button. Once you do so, select the done option over here. So once it's added set tip, select the done button. As you tap on the done button, you would have successfully tipped that Uber driver. This method applies to tips made during the ride. If you want to tip an Uber driver after a trip, then you have 30 days to do so. If you can also use the Uber app to make subsequent tips. And aside from the app, it's also possible to tip drivers on riders.uber.com and with the recent receipt you'd receive via email. That's all it takes to tip a driver in Uber. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.